In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your social links on GitHub, which is a great way to integrate your online presence for visitors and collaborators who check out your profile. To get started, first, navigate to the GitHub dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll notice your profile icon. This icon might feature your profile picture if you have one set up or a generic avatar otherwise. Clicking on this icon brings up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you should select Your Profile. This will redirect you to your personal GitHub profile page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. On your profile page, take a look towards the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Edit Profile. Clicking on Edit Profile allows you to modify a variety of details related to your GitHub presence. But for today's purpose, we're focusing specifically on social media links. As you scroll through the editing options, keep an eye out for the section labeled Social Accounts. This is the area where you can link all of your social media profiles. This might include, for example, your Twitter, LinkedIn, or personal website. Essentially any online platform where you have a professional presence that you wish to share with others visiting your GitHub profile. To add your social media links, simply enter the URLs of your profiles into the provided fields. Make sure the links are correct, as these will be the breadcrumbs leading people to your other online spaces. It's also worth noting that keeping these links up to date is beneficial for maintaining professional connections, as outdated links could lead to confusion or missed opportunities. Once you've entered all your desired links, the final step is crucial: clicking Save. This is located at the bottom of the page, ensuring that the changes you've made are stored and reflected on your profile. It's always a good idea to double-check by going back to your profile page just to make sure everything appears as expected. This simple process not only enhances your GitHub profile, but also potentially strengthens connections with the broader community by making it easier for collaborators and potential collaborators to engage with your professional network. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can seamlessly integrate your online presence on GitHub, making it more comprehensive and engaging for your visitors.